All right, here we go. Wednesday morning. The workout's in, midway point to the week, the weekend. Nothing but positive vibes. We got to keep that positive mindset. That being said, today's a big day, big trading day. Federal Reserve announcement today at 2 o'clock. It's kind of geeky saying that's a big day, but when you're a trader, these are the days you look forward to. What does that mean? Well, all eyes are going to be looking at the Fed and Jerome Powell's speech post 2 o'clock and whether or not the Fed out in the future, certainly not looking to change rates right now, but out in the future, do they start raising rates faster than expected due to a stronger economy? That's the question. Or do they remain more dovish, meaning keep rates low, keep money flowing until we get on the back end of this pandemic? Big question out there. All eyes are going to be on that. If we see them come out and say, hey, we're going to remain dovish, we're going to keep rates low, it's likely, again, a probability that we see pressure on that dollar. So the dollar sells off, euro, pound, other currencies rally up. Again, but all eyes are going to be on that. Could be a volatile day. Make sure you're ready. Strap in. Let's go get some today. Right now, heading into the open, markets are quiet until we have this 2 o'clock announcement. All right, folks, I'll check in with you again tomorrow.